Welcome to Check It Out Report. This is Thursday, and we're going to be looking at a new fast food restaurant to our area. And there's over 200 of them at this point throughout the United States. I'll show you the bag this comes in, and it's called Slim Chicken. It's a brand new establishment. It's big. I looked at its menu online. It's got a hell of a menu. A lot of items on the menu, just more than I've ever seen on any particular fast food deal. Now, they did give me a few napkins, and I asked them whether or not they had when I was at the window, and she was kind enough to go in there and grab me a whole stack. So that's where we're starting. The service was excellent. It took a while for them to get the order out. This one's called let me see, I've got that receipt somewhere, hopefully. It's a red pepper, and it's called Cayenne chicken sandwich. And I'll be damn if I know what I did with the receipt. I had it, but it seems to have gotten away from me. It wasn't that expensive. So what they did, they charged me $6.49 for this chicken sandwich, which in today's world is pretty reasonable. It's called a Cayenne chicken sandwich. And I'm ordering, adding a little other dimension to our reviews. I've decided to start weighing whatever it is, especially if it's a sandwich. That'll give us a better idea of what we're really getting. This particular sandwich I weighed before I started the review, and it weighed 8.4 ounces. 8.4 ounces. So it came in a cute little box, which you can see here. It's got the little logo on top, and it's full of air holes. It's a cardboard box. Oh, and it's got some kind of dressing inside in this little container, which is nice. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is show you what this sandwich looks like. It inside the box, it's also in a little sandwich wrapper. Here it is. It's got kind of a dough, maybe a sourdough bun, it looks like. Maybe it's in. And there's inside the sandwich. Let's see if I can bend this down so you can get a better look at it. Yep, there it is. It's got, it looks like it's got some kind of onion rings, some kind of secret sauce, of course the piece of chicken, and it's got lettuce and maybe sour cream. Now there's a ranch dressing they threw in here, so I assume that is to go on the hamburger, or the chicken burger, excuse me. So we're going to apply it here, see how that works. The sandwich, as we'll measure it, is let's see how thick, what the dimension across is. The dimension across is 4 inches, which is kind of normal since we started dimensioning these things, and it varies as far as height. On the thickest side, it's about 2.5 inches thick, which is pretty thick. So I'm gonna dig in. It's a crispy piece of chicken. And see what this bad boy tastes like. Pretty good so far. The industry has really gotten to a point that it really knows how to soften that chicken up. It doesn't even feel like you're biting through a piece of chicken. It's so soft. It's a pretty good sandwich. Everybody there was delightful. Good service. The gal that took my order outside, similar to what Chick-fil-A would do. And then the gal at the window was very engaging. I did have to wait a little bit for my meal with a line of cars behind me, but I happened to be the first one there at the time I arrived to order. So I don't know if this Delaney, this particular Cayenne pepper chicken sandwich is something that's not ordered routinely. I'm not sure. And there's a lot of chicken on it. I happen to be enjoying it. Good stuff. Good with this chicken sandwich too. Well, I like that sandwich. It's about half gone. And I feel like I've eaten a meal. It a typical taste of a sandwich. Nothing stands out to me as far as anything special. It's just a lot of food for your buck. I mean, that's pretty inexpensive chicken burger. I don't have any idea how long they can keep those prices down, but I'd say it's a pretty good deal for the money. I think the presentation was fine. It was a nice bag they served it in. Of course, it had a cardboard box, and then yet it was inside the box. It was wrapped in another wax paper type surround, so you could pick it up and eat in that particular serving mechanism. I want to add to this particular video that Cayenne, one of the first sandwiches I've had, that I can feel the heat from that cayenne pepper. It's few and far between as far as getting something that's hot that say it's hot. Now they told me when I was there that there is something called a buffalo chicken sandwich, I think is what it was called, and that's way hotter. But as I said right off the bat, I'm not looking just to burn my mouth up. I like a little something peppery, and this fits that bill. That's good. It's a good chicken burger, and I would buy it again. So, bon appetit. I guess that's about all I've got to say about it. Until we meet again, happy trails to you. And please, if you can, and you feel like it, please subscribe and ring the bell so that I can grow my little channel and get the word out to as many people as possible. I appreciate it. And enjoy your world and love those that you love and that love you back. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you. Until we meet again, God bless.